Chief Minister Biren launches the official websites of Chief Minister's Office and Manipur Police Citizen Portal with an aim to enhance transparency and efficiency of the government today. Chief Minister Biren inaugurates the new building of Manipur Pollution Control Board at Imphal West DC Complex, Lumphel Parts today. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham warns of blacklisting oil tankers ferrying adulterated oil into the states. And women vendors at Lintoy-Ngambi market intensify their agitations over allotment of more vendors at the markets shed number 3 and shed number 4. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister N. Biren has launched the official website of Chief Minister's Office and Manipur Police Citizen Portal with an aim to enhance transparency and efficiency of the government at the Chief Minister's Office today. The two websites are www.cmmanipur.gov.in and mnpcitizenportal.gov.in. Speaking at the launch, Biren said that the website would act as an interface for the citizens living outside the state as well as an interface to the grievance cell. Citizens will also get access to the latest news and important events related to Chief Minister's Office. One of the key features of the website is Manipur Connect, where citizens, including students residing outside the state, can register themselves and raise issues and concerns related to education, racism, harassment, and corruption. He added that the state government would provide the registered list of citizens so that state government would officially request to each and every state governments to protect and provide security to our citizens around the clock. Registered students would get some benefits such as financial assistance of 2 lakh rupees and 50,000 rupees in case of death and serious injury respectively. The website can be linked to the newly launched grievance cell and provide one-step solution for citizens to lodge their grievances to various departments, after which they can monitor the status or progress of their complaints. Biren said that the objective of the Manipur Police Citizen Portal is to establish a cordial relationship and to bridge the communication gap between the people and police in the state. It aims to make the functioning of police people-friendly, improving the delivery of citizen-centric services through effective usage of information and communication technology and transparency by automating the functioning of police stations. An individual can lodge any complaint through the website without their physical presence in the police station, and anonymity of the complainant would be upheld at any circumstances. The portal is a part of the CCTNS project, a mission motor project governed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Some of the features of the website are complaints, requests for verification, requests for no objection certificates, etc. The requests will automatically get forwarded to the respective police stations and the status of the complaints will be automatically updated. Useful information like missing persons details, unidentified dead bodies will also be made available in the citizen portal. People can give any suggestions or tips regarding various issues through the website. MLAs K. Robindro, L. Sushindro, L. Rameshwar, H. Dingo, T. H. Satyabrata, Chief Secretary R. R. Rashmi, DGP L. M. Khaute, top civil and police officials attended the function.
Karigumba ada gotona amu thokpada kainom thokpada kana karai lai kibno kari to buno si madugi track to busi khangda Manipur dei ni hai adu da leibini hai en tor kanda track to bum maten pang hum su khangda ba adu gum problem mayam ma chhatra sing se adu thoe ada thoe mang re ye phare ye phure khanare karai da kaino si khangda ba adu na sugum mayam si gi track to the government nu ngai na ba and the registration is not only the students any company the khangde government service na tawriba whoever from the Manipur registration is the Yahanba. I Koigi state government the Moigi state chief minister da Igi level the list Konana protect over Moigi security kara Youngson view had na kush the formality do never. Other look at the Hang Queen Topaka, Bangalore to a list up here and a Sini Namena. Adumina whole over India. Madugi Portu ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ.
Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren inaugurated the new building of Manipur Pollution Control Board at Imphal West DC Complex, Lamphel today. Speaking at inaugural, Chief Minister Biren stated that it will be decided whether the board can be upgraded to the level of a directorate. He inaugurated the administrative and laboratory section at the new building of Manipur Pollution Control Board today. He maintains that people of the state will be acquainted with common sense and civic sense regarding pollutions. Biren said efforts are on to curb throwing of waste and garbages in Nambul River running through Kweramban Market. He said an order has been already issued and police personnel deployed to catch people throwing garbages at Nambul River. While speaking in connection with traffic rules violators in the state, the Chief Minister said he was shocked to see a viral video of a cat waiting for green signal at a zebra crossing in Japan. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Chairman of MPCB L. Radhakishore, MLAs, the top officials of various departments and many people attended the inaugural event. Taking part at the event, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar asserted that pollution is on the rise in Manipur. He condemned those who have not availed themselves door-to-door garbage collection facility till date. Shyamkumar drew the attention of the Chief Minister and suggested not to allow individuals without proper garage to buy vehicles.
Drainage mathakta pata pira pata tasalaga yum sajaneba. Ado ising chauraga na sarkar ke daulege thagalakani Facebook da khangde ama khangde. Aina aigi yum mapa da khongban encroach tawri nobody thinks ai aranbam tawri mane public society da kai bam tawri mane ase ai khande ba kanamta. Madu khanba numitu dani Manipur prithvi gi top ta laidois. Pollution Control Board ki pollution gi lairiba department di sigi board sigi haidare. That's in the department on by Arabani. At the state to the Chow no Mashigam Tabuxiam assignments, Hosiki modern words to the Haitar. Magi Tabuxi Amcre. Government Singi Pradam, a coin and lazy government labor resourcing gonna a quite punna, Awana, lady, Migi Vivam Patraka the car no Ibatongo.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has warned of blacklisting oil tankers which import adulterated fuel and cancellation of transporters services found to be involved in such acts. The minister stated that IOC Imphal Division was directed to take befitting actions against the guilty oil tankers under Industry Transport Discipline Guidelines. It may be mentioned that the fuel of a PCTC oil pump was suspected to be adulterated after Speaker Kem Chand's car broke down after filling fuel at the pump on January 23. IOC Imphal Division sent 3 oil samples to Digboy Refinery Lab for testing. Speaking to media persons at the Minister's office in Oil Secretariat today, Karam Sham said the reports of the lab test has arrived. It may be mentioned that Karam Sham announced to take actions against oil pumps which supply adulterated fuel during a press meet at his office on January 29. The minister said as per the report, the flashpoint of fuel in the nozzle of PCTC oil pump was found to be 0% against the supposed 35%. The fuel, which was imported from Tinsukia, also conducted security convey at Khatkati, Assam. Karam Sham said it is suspected that the fuel was adulterated on the way between Tinsukia to Khatkati. He said the transporter MS Janaka Devi Acharya's truck bearing registration number MN01A0389 has been blacklisted and further investigation will be carried out. The minister maintains that the BJP-led state government cannot accept wrongdoings. He said actions will be taken against any oil pump selling adulterated oil.
Any complaint, Sarkar ki side authorities in the or minister direct, natraga IOC da sumba problem je tholu pakanda matungda fully akoi cooperate tawni adaga uran ba phaba isi authority khadana phaba ngamanate praja gi achoba data ma lai praja singna pir ko information adugi matungina at any time da adum tawriba thabak sigi asengba khangdokna nabagi magi procedure ma lai de Tauja the Porearga, upon the Tataviavanati, Adu sample numble 1 month ki reserve Toroga Tami, Adu sample to the Guinea, Karai the Tausi, Tauruponona, who's Paris, Aduna side tanker, Tauriba, Nupado, Adu the Wangpo, Turkanda, Tau Krai the Allega Habama, detect Sweden Taurani. And the Manipur adulterations, Rubalamina, anywhere, the Tinshukiagi, the Gina, Sagi Kirkatri, Gimaras, the Choba adulteration is a gamma. ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ
Manipur Truck Owners Welfare Association condemned the statement made by the superintending engineer of PWD National Highway Circle Y. Joy Kumar that a truck loaded more than 25 tons is dangerous to ply on National Highway number 2 in Far Dimapur Road. Addressing media persons at the association's office in MG Avenue, President of the association H. Ranjit condemned the statement made by Joy Kumar. He maintains that the inspection drive carried out by the superintending engineer is beyond the court's order. Ranjit asserted that trucks loaded with up to 31 tons have been plying on National Highway number 2. He maintains that the association demanded repair of the road and not for restrictions to be imposed on them. Ranjit said it is not the responsibility of a superintending engineer to decide on such matter and said that the National Highway Authority is the right authority regarding the matter. He appeals the state government to look into the issue at the earliest.
Sahi lisang chena highway lambi sida mal mayam puduna lakraba lambi ni national highway khatana te Asian highway number 1 haidana su adugum baina upgrade tawduna international ki thakta leigraba du malambian ama khangni adana semjen magi mahuta gari chattana bo honarak paise tikadar singda sep tongnana ba kana guma transport kharagi khudong chaba phanganna ba aduguma thoksinni haibase haina logdaba ngamoi motona NH2 da sakhiba Sri Joy Kumar ki khongchat value yaudaba khongchani court ki direction matungina mana litor chatpa yabam thokte.
Women vendors at Lintoy-Ngambi market intensified their agitations over the allotment of more vendors at the markets shed number 3 and shed number 4. The agitated women vendors at Lintoy-Ngambi market or New Market, which is also commonly known as Haufi Yonfam, staged a sit-in at the New Market today. Addressing media persons, President of Kwai Trustee Development, Hanjabam Binod Kumari, stated that before the earthquake struck the market complex, shed number 3 and shed number 4 each had 24 vendors. She maintains that after handing over of the new market complex on January 22, 2 vendors each are allocated in each market sheds. The trustee drew the attention of the government and departments concerned to resolve the issue and to bring back normalcy in the market at the earliest. It may be mentioned that the women vendors want of a total shutdown at Lintoy-Ngambi market if the Mahut minister and the authority concerned do not resolve the issue by January 31st.
Dabi se akhoi gi se number 34 da mini phuni pan phame phami bani phuni pan sida moi kharana manaraga kaithen gi leader kharaga manaraga mi set amada mi ani hengalangna hona ba adugi mayokta tawjabani sigi poche akhoi ni phuni pan dagi helan biganu haijabane ba khoina mari leina authority da haibadi IMC amadi akhoi gi mahut mantri haijabani khoina lekpiba akhoi gi khongjang du changchan jaba hobani aduga ngasi song phangdab taragadi makhal makha ga khongjang amuk chathajarakani.
Hill Tribal Council Moray, Kuki Women Union and Human Rights and Kuki Students Organization Moray has called for 48 hours ban on Imphal Moray Road against the transfer of Subdivisional Police Officer SDPO Moray. Members of the 3 organizations resolved to shut down the road by holding a meeting at the office of Hill Tribal Council Moray yesterday. It may be recalled that members of the organizations want the government of shutting down the road if it does not withdraw the transfer order of SDPO Lawrence Ken Munlo within 24 hours yesterday. Speaking to media persons, members of the organization resolved to call 48 hours ban from this midnight against the indifference of the government to their demand at a meeting held today and want a further indefinite ban of the road if the government still do not pay heed to their demand. Volunteers of the organizations after the meeting alerted the people at Moray that the ban will be in effect from this midnight. People visiting the town panicked in search of passenger vehicles to return home. A combined team of Narcotics Cell Imphal East NAB Police Station Manipur Commando Imphal East along with women police under the supervision of Deputy SP Civil Armed Reserve Imphal East Ronnie Mayingbam and OC Narcotics Cell Inspector KH Dev Kumar apprehended a woman identified as Mayari, 55 years, wife of Muhammad Rocky of Kairang Komidok Mamang Laika Imphal East District in possession of illegal drugs at Kairang Komidok area of Imphal East today. The combined team recovered 1,117 WY tablets inside a polythene packet, 1,163 Spasmoproxivon capsules and 500 nitrosan 10 tablets. The arrested person along with the seized illegal drugs were handed over to Hengang police station for further investigation. The team also arrested one Muhammad Azimuddin alias Inau, 24 years, son of Muhammad Manab of Kairang Mayai Lekai, in possession of 1 gram of heroin number 4 powder while patrolling in and around Kongnung area. The arrested person and the seized items were handed over to OC Hengang police station for further investigation. Poppy plants estimated to worth around 5 crores 60 lakh rupees were destroyed on a hillock at Langangching village in Ukhrul district under Litan police station this morning. A combined team of Ukhrul district administration, narcotic affairs and border narcotic bureau, district police Ukhrul, Imphal East, Imphal West, Assam Rifles, Manipur Rifles and IRB destroyed large amount of poppy plants grown in 80 acres land area. Around 800 kilogram of opium can be extracted from the destroyed poppy plants. University Students Union MUSU in a press release stated that the Office of the Controller of Examinations of Manipur University has been shut down by the union from today in protest against failure to conduct examination in life science subject for the extra 10 students enrolled in GP Women College and also against failure to conduct semester examination for the students who have participated in the 33rd Inter-University East Zone Youth Festival representing the university in Guwahati last month. Board of Secondary Education Manipur in a press release said that BOSEM will conduct the National Achievement Survey for Class 10 students of government-recognized schools under the joint supervision of the Ministry of Human Resource Development and NCERT on February 5. The survey will be jointly organized by RMSA and Directorate of Education as Government of Manipur. List of recognized schools selected for the survey is available at BOSEM notice board. The release also appeals to all shortlisted schools to report to the board or ZEOs concerned. Members of Youth Guidance Club Kongba Ketri Lekai Imphal East congratulated member and founder of the club Konthaujam Kunjo on being conferred the Manipur State Academy Award 2014 by Manipur State Kala Academy. Age-old traditions and customs are still intact and can be observed in Anal Kulen of Chandel district till today. The customary festival Marsha Alam was celebrated with much fanfare at Anal Kulen on January 30. The core theme of the festival is to strengthen the bond existing between women who have married to clans outside the village and their family members who are left behind in the village. Cultural songs and traditional dance performances, community feast and gift presentations to the elders highlighted the festival.
अखोई चिंगी लमदमदा अयाम बसे अखोई कल्चर अखोई कस्टम से अखोई प्रिजर्व तौदरे अदुना असिगुम्बा कस्टम से अखोई हुंदोक मतमदा मांगजब से अखोई लेगनी मरमदी आइडेंटिटी एप्स का अखोई से इसान इसा बुकदा खंगदबरा दी आईगी कस्टम दुना आईगी आइडेंटिटी होगदबनी अदुना इसाईदा खंगदे जगोईदा खंगदे अदुगा तौगदब हिरम खुदिंगमक्ता अखोइना कौरोइदबनी.
A small sacred temple of Ibudhau Khana Chauba Wangburel is situated in Anal Kulen. A villager of Anal Kulen, P.S. Samson Selo, told Impact News that the Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthombam Biren, has expressed a desire to convert this sacred temple into a historical site and make the village a tourist destination. He urged for proper utilization of funds sanctioned for the project.
CM Biren se Chandil da mai ki kanu lak matam da yarabadi anan khulen se historical place amoy binina haina mana krolani su kanu sanction tawgni tawkhre haina masigi yarabadi akhoi gi IB gumba sanana ba aduga ibudo bangrel gi mai gi sirin se kanu tawraga yaradi historical place aduga resource center umba onana ba haina madugi pawdi haiki bale haduna anan khulen se सरकार ना खरा पैसा बुद्धि थादरे बाबू हजिक फबो कनो लागतरी यामने रिसोर्सफुल ओइबा जगह अमोइगनी अदुना लंबी मरुबदा लंबी अदुगा खुनसिदा लेरिबसे खरा ग्राउंड खंगदे करिदा खंगदे डेवलप फजना तौबिबसे याम मथौ तायना से हाइजनी
Members of the Coordinating Body of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee met renowned economist Professor N. Mohendro as part of the campaign called Lamdam Shigi Masak Naiba Miyoi Singdagi Motloba, initiated on January 20. During the meeting, Professor N. Mohendro said inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list should be considered as an assertion and not a demand. He maintained that it is a rectification of an earlier mistake and as such there should be no issue. On the other hand, Professor Mohendro also suggested for a strategic adjustment by removing any differences existing among various ethnic groups and bring ourselves on a common platform in the wake of Eastern Gateway being opened as a consequence of national changes brought on by the globalization and liberalization of the world. He said that it is time to leave behind our egoistic beliefs and focus on improving our situation. He said it is time to introspect on how to bring about these changes and the pace required for bringing the changes.
Aina government appeal tawjari study sima commission tawbiro tawraba matungda these are the short term gains, these are the long term gains, these are the short term difficulties, these are the short masigi mayam se phajana mayak shengna thamba report amakak darkar hoiganeba adugida base tawragadi amaga si kaya wai de assess tawgani Manipur haina hariba lamse masina kama yogani haragadi akoi yam united approach sama united oba action amakak darkar hoi masini aina mayang me phamda thanjari.
Poirei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur observed the 14th death anniversary of the former president of the organization, Ima Kombi, who contributed in protecting the integrity of Manipur and in the movement to repeal Armed Forces Special Powers Act from the state. The observance was held at Lamphel Sanakaitel, where Ima Kombi breathed her last. Giving the keynote address at the event, General Secretary of Poirei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur, Apabi, said Hijam Chanu Ima Kombi fought against the atrocities of Indian Army with commitment. She said there have been many incidents of rape, fake encounters, arrest and killings of civilians by the Indian Army. Apabi said Ima Kombi played a pivotal role in the movement to protect human rights from all these brutalities. Taking part in the observance, Vice President of Kabui Mothers Association, Kama Atom P, said the contributions of the leader for the welfare of the society is commendable and that the present generation must follow in the footsteps of Ima Kombi. She also appealed for one united organization instead of several divided organizations. Speaking to media persons, President of Poirei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur, Ima Longjam Memchobi, said she will be happy beyond limits if there comes a representative of the people who can completely repeal AFSPA from the state as desired by Ima Kombi. Representatives of various civil society organizations attended the observance. Floral tributes were also offered at the site where Ima Kombi's last rites were performed.
Manipur kan ke dawa Manipur da ima leba ke dam na sung tok ba ngamba a po se bar e lak tok kan ni haiba ngamba adugumba kendite do adu da bot phaza thada ba pa ban Ima Kombi da lup khuding ma punjal laga Manipur da ka du lai ta punsin nung sang ba amadi wa ta pa da ba Manipur ama Semina si loina na hum so ban no pilan so akoi Manipur se da lei ba bipu ko di ma ki order sen kudong punjal laga hum so ban no pilan se am po se special para ek lok tok pagam na mai ta koi khuding mang da sang sen min na cha.
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme in 9 different wards of Oina Municipal Council drew the attention of the authority concerned and demanded release of housing funds for them under the scheme. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, a beneficiary of the Municipal Council's Ward number 7, Waikom Kunjo, stated that the order for the housing scheme was issued by the Executive Officer of Oina Municipal Council, Helem Pamei, on October 28 last year. He said many houses in poor conditions were dismantled in the hope that the housing funds would be released soon. He added that some beneficiaries even started construction of foundations for their houses using their own money. However, constructions could not be completed due to lack of money, which should have been provided by the housing funds under the scheme. Kunjo drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter and release the funds before the onset of the monsoons.
Haibum tokwa thabum tokwa mahutki director da oina municipal council na hairiba copy jingaji director da mi taraga mapal han bagi fast phase gi oina thare hairiba ji thar botung na ngasi phogwa paisa ji release to bidre hoji nungju nungsa lakringai matam sida honorable jingna sigumba phal jingasi yam thuna thadok piduna laitalaira bawana yung kai lejadaba sigumba mayam asigi awana jibu ongtang kon girabadi koina mukaju makata na ishone haidana koi lachage haidana apil tokjari.
General Post Office of Imphal distributed Rural Information and Communication Technology (RICT) to Kakching and Churachandpur district branch offices for the first phase today. Addressing media persons, Superintendent of Post Office Manipur Postal Division K.I. Singh said RICT will help in transforming a rural economic landscape by changing the way in which a rural branch post office works. Altogether, 648 RICT will be distributed across the state in 24 phases. Prior to the distribution, postmasters were given trainings for 3 days on the RICT manuals.
Haiba device di matengna masida account hangba post office account hangba amasung ate atopa facility mayam ama rural oiragasu village level oiragasu masina kyamu yamna mateng pangbi ai habsi
Minister Thongam Biswajit released the Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj's calendar for the year 2018 at the Secretariat Hall of the department today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Biswajit said the calendar was released as it reflects the activities of MGNREGA. He said 123 crore rupees sanctioned by the Government of India for MGNREGA have been utilized and there are 58 crore rupees more to be utilized. Biswajit said there are arrangements to sanction 140 to 50 crore rupees by the 140 to 150 crore rupees by the centre. Principal Secretary of the Department M.H. Khan and Chief Engineer Thokchom Nandakishore were among those present at the event.
Manipur ki anau sarkar lakpa matamda ekhoi gi MGNREGA gi lariba percentage अखोई नेमधरे हाइबा तसेंगनदि मसि नेमधबा नते अखोई कंपैरेटिवली अखोई दा पीरगिबा अखोई कनोसी एलोकेशन जी हंदकी कनोदा अखोई ममांग की परफॉर्मेंस सिंग कांदा अखोई 100 लाख अखोई परसेंटेज नि सो फार होजि बाग तो 123 प्लस 58 करोड़ हादोखरे अदुग लेमहौरिबा अखोई बैलेंस अमाउंट सी after utilization of this 58 crores se torbo matungda अखोई 1 goda अखोई 100% gi चांग दो अखोई न तौरे हाइदना ngame har kanda mathangda 100 percentage to me kudimak the panganabagi pandam amagaluna aikoina union ministry da aikoina takshan jagre wari chana jagre.
The Department of Agriculture is sponsoring 2 training programs on farm machinery equipments, especially for men and women farmers of Manipur State, separately at Northeastern Region Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, FMTTI-NER. Biswanath Chariali Sonitpur, Assam. Interested farmers willing to attend this said program, whose age is not above 40 years, may contact Executive Engineer Agri CSC Agriculture Department, Sanjan Thong, or District Agriculture Officers of every district on or before 6 February 2018. A 3-day program on disaster management training program commenced at the new guest house of Thoubal Municipal Council today. Public Works Department, Town Planning Department and Civil Defence Manipur jointly organized the training program under the sponsorship of Department of Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur. Experts will give trainings on earthquake disasters, seismic retrofitting, structural behavior, building by law, will, etc. during the 3-day program. Shareholders of Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited Welfare Association in a press release stated that the delegate election of the board of directors of the bank will be held on February 8th. The association said that shareholders who are willing to cast their votes should personally collect their identity cards and that the vote will be invalid if the signatures on the ID card and register book do not match. The association appeals to all the shareholders to support in conducting the election in a peaceful manner. On the 4th day of the 46th All Manipur Shumang Lila Festival 2017-18 today, 2 Shumang Lilas were performed by 2 women group, namely Kauru Raba Nungshi Khudol by the Meitei Leimarol Art Performing Center and Ningsing Bidraba Mitei Patho by the Chanura Yatra Kam Drama Association. The festival, which kicked off on January 24, will conclude on February 18. The men group will perform from February 5 onwards. Home Films Manipur observed its 11th foundation at its office at Parampat, Thawan, Thabaleka yesterday. Speaking as chief guest, Manipur Films critic Raj Mani asserted that rise in actors' rates and decline in the market value of Manipuri films hindered production of more Manipuri films. Film director K.H. Homeshwari announced the names of her upcoming 2 films, namely Inamma and Ima Machit Icha Tangkhai, on the occasion. In boxing, 5-time world champion MC Mary Kom advanced to the final of the India Open at New Delhi yesterday. In the 48 kg category, Mary Kom seeded 12th, defeated Mongolia's Altan Sitseng Latsei Khan to enter the gold medal match. Mary Kom will now face Josie Gabuko of the Philippines. In the men's 60 kg division, Shiva Thapa seeded top, settled for a bronze after going down to fellow Indian Manish Kaushik in an unanimous verdict. Manoj Kumar in 69 kgs also made a shock exit after losing to compatriot Dinesh. L. Sarita Devi, Amit Panghal, Pinky Jangra, K. Shyam Kumar and Satish Kumar were also among those who made it to their respective finals. KMFC Kairang Imphal East District and YDO Sora were drawn nil in the first match of the first Hanif Shah Memorial State Level Manipur Muslim Football Tournament played at Kwakta Bazar Public Ground today. While in the second match, AKSA Kwakta beat YUFC Yaripok 3-1. In this match, YUFC's player Mohammad Salman Khan was awarded man of the match. AKSA Kwakta will meet PYFC Porampat tomorrow. Manipur Wrestling Association in a press release stated that selection trials will be held at SAG Hall, Kumanlam Park on February 4 to chalk out a wrestling team for participating in the 37th Boys Freestyle, Greco-Roman Style and 20th Women Junior National Championship, which will be held at Jaipur in Rajasthan from February 22nd to February 25. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren launches the official websites of Chief Minister's Office and Manipur Police Citizen Portal with an aim to enhance transparency and efficiency of the government today. Chief Minister Biren inaugurates the new building of Manipur Pollution Control Board at Imphal West DC Complex, Lumphel Parts today. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham warns of blacklisting oil tankers ferrying adulterated oil into the states. And women vendors at Lintoy Ngambi market intensify their agitations over allotment of more vendors at the market's shed number 3 and shed number 4.